Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Authenticator app in 2024. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply download the app into your device. So if you are using an iOS, just go to App Store. If you are using an Android, just go to Google Play Store. So now once you open the app, just simply sign in into your Microsoft account, or if you don't have one, just create a new one. And after that guys, you should be able to see there a plus button. So just simply tap on that on the top right corner and just simply choose an account. And after that, just simply scan the QR code provided by the service you want to secure, or you can enter the code manually. And after that guys, just simply provide the necessary information and follow the prompts to complete the setup. And after that, your account will now appear in the app with the 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. So guys, when you are signing in with a two-factor authentication, and when you sign into a service and enter your user and the password, just simply open up your Microsoft Authenticator app, and from there you will find the 6-digit code for the service, and just simply enter the code to complete the sign-in process. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!